Good afternoon and good evening, my name is Jay, welcome to the channel. So today we have got a collaboration, and I'm not spoiling who it is just yet until we get there, but you can't beat a collaboration with another channel. So this channel, I've been in contact with this person for quite a while, since the last one. So we've had a collab before, there's the clue, but I've really not seen this person for absolutely ages. So we're just going to go out for a little bimble around Derbyshire, and we're going to go to, I think we're going to go over to Grindleford Calf this time, have a coffee and a chat, maybe a bite to eat, see how we feel when we get there. And then we are going to probably just bumble around that area, maybe go up through stanage and that. It just depends on light and things like that. So let's see how we go, shall we? So we're just currently on Woodhead, or Woodhead Pass, depending on what part of it you're on. And then we're going to drop over down into the Devil's Elbow, which it's generally a route I do anyway, but that's where we're going to meet up. He's here yet. Just give it away by saying it's a he. This is right. Oh, he's here, look. Just sling it here. Yeah. Right, so we're here at this beautiful spot. I've been up here before, and look who we've met. Can you guess who it is yet? But look who we've got here. I'm just going to come around this way, just get his head. There you go. Hey up, pal. So we've got Alcamoto, and we said it's 18 months, I think, since we met.
18 months since the last meeting. The last ride when you had the iron, and
yeah.
You've had about 30 bikes since.
I've had about 29 bikes,
29,
yeah, since then.
29.5 with the little bullet.
With a little bullet, yeah, let's include the bullet.
So yeah, you're well ahead of me on the bike front. So yeah, it's been just brilliant to meet up. And what a day.
I know, absolute beautiful day. You can see blue sky up there. We're heading over to Grindleford Calf for a brew, and I think I might need a bacon sandwich as well, actually.
You might be right there.
And I've actually brought cash this time.
Have you?
Yeah.
Right, that makes
because
a change.
I normally go and it don't take cards, so you've got to take cash, so I've got some cash on me. But yeah, so we're going to head over there, and then we're going to head up to Stanage Edge, and we're going to get his own little Top Gun show going, aren't we?
I think so, yeah.
But we're going to try not to crash the drones. Let's get on the bike. See you in a bit. There we go, guys.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world?
Hopefully we're going to get over here before we lose too much light. I think he's going to be catching those foot pegs before long. He does get it over that bike, sounds beautiful as well. And again, these are great roads when there's no cars on them, but it's just a pain with the cars. I reckon what they should do on a weekend, they should just ban all cars on all these sort of roads. Just have them open for bikes. Is that me being a bit selfish? This tunnel for a while either. This is we're gonna get deafened now. I'm glad I've got my earplugs in. This is where we can smoke a few off now on this road. Dual carriageway. Oh, naughty, naughty, naughty. Oh dear. Just got a little bit giddy then, sorry. 50 mile an hour. Looks a lot quicker on these cameras, doesn't it? You alright? Do you want to go in front? It's awesome around here, look at it. It's like when you come different times of the year as well, it's just like different moods all the time. It's quite eerie now, but when you come down in the snow as well, it's brilliant. Try not to brake us too much down here as well, because when you get to the bottom, your discs start to fry back into the sunshine. Right, we just stopped for a bacon butty and a cup of coffee, and we're at Grindleford, and we're heading up now to stanage while we've still got light. Okay, well, let's go. Oh, lovely sandwich as well. I've not had anything to eat all day. Let's get that closed. It's getting a bit chipper now. No, it's great catching up with you, mate, anyway, so let's get up there and get the birds in the air and recreate Top Gun. I just hope it's going to be light enough, but we might get something pretty spectacular because it might catch the sunset as well. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go back home either. But I've had a great day. It's been absolutely fantastic. I've had a bit of a spirited ride as well. I just need to get another battery for this camera. It actually died up there, so we lost that last bit, but hopefully there's enough content for you to capture the day. Make sure I've got my wallet and everything. Yeah, I've just plugged this camera in that's on the DJI. I've just plugged it in because I have only got the one battery for it, but I think I've only took it up to about 25-30%, so I'm not sure how much more we're going to get, but we're pretty much to the end anyway. We're just going to go up to Stanage just to get some drone footage. I've been up there before, and there's one of my other vlogs that's got it on, but I haven't took the drone up for a while, so it was just nice to get the drone up. Light it looks on there, but it's not.
It's actually bloody dark out here now, and it's freezing as well.
It's pitch black. So we managed to get his drones up. This is probably just us signing out now, actually, because we're both going to ride back together, but we're not on comms, and we're just going to go our separate ways. But mate, it's been absolutely fantastic to see you again.
Been too long.
It's been too long. But no, really enjoyed it actually. We've had quite a bit of a spirited ride, haven't we?
It's been a great ride today, yeah. Familiar roads, but always better when you're in good company. And like I said, to see Jay again, brilliant. So, like I said, it's take two.
Take two, yeah. No, it's been awesome, buddy. Really enjoyed it, mate.
Yeah.
It's been fantastic. So yeah, we're just, it is a lot darker than it looks up here. Managed to get the drones out, but whether the footage is going to be any good, we don't know. It's having a couple of issues logging in as well. So yeah, sign out. So nice to have you along for the ride, and hopefully see you soon. So remember, every day's an adventure. Crazy out.